Elementor Template Injector, complete walkthrough. This step-by-step guide shows all functions available in Elementor Template Injector. If you still have questions, check out the FAQs, or use the contact form on the shop page. Widget placement. The Elementor Template Injector widget needs to first be placed into the page or template where your target element is integrated. If you want to implement the source template into an element that appears on every page, then the best way is to put the Elementor Template Injector widget into a header or footer element that also appears on every page. Editor panel options. Once you place the widget, you get the Elementor Edit panel with its different tabs. Content tab. In the Content tab you first select the source template. That is the element you want to place at the Target Selector element. Once this is selected, you will see it at the position of the Elementor Template Injector widget. That way you can check if loading the template works. To later only show it in the targeted position, you can enable Hide Fallback. The second step is to set the Target Selector. Just use your browser's inspector to find the selector you need and add it to our Target Selector field. And last, on the Content field, there is the option to make sure the injection also works when the Target Selector is actually on a pop-up within that page. Style tab. On the Style tab you define the settings of your source template container, because your template is automatically wrapped into a container and then placed at your Target Selector. Here you can use most of the container settings you normally find in the Layout tab of a container widget. Only the position setting is special, as it defines if the template container should be injected before or after its targeted element. On top of that, we even added options for the parent container of your targeted element. But beware. Enabling and modifying these settings can mess things up. But for those who know what they are doing, this might be a shortcut to better implement your template, compared to otherwise using extra tools like CSS editors or custom code. That's Elementor Template Injector. Add any element into any other element. Get it now on haywood.tools and make your life easier and your projects better.